Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Going to take up the FMS AVANTI 90mm 18-year anniversary again. Going to have a little bit of fun with it. Now, I'm just running the 6S, not the 8S version, or the 12S version, or the 16S version, or the 24S version. Just the 6S version. Okay. Got the KM model afterburner. Gave her a clear coat. Other than that, all stock.
Motor is armed.
4-minute timer. Dying light. Let's have fun. Hopefully I won't have any radio issues this time.
Takeoff flaps.
Full speed.
Landing flaps.
I'm going to bring her right low and slow. Oh, that's beautiful. So locked in. All right, I can see my gear now. Got the AS3X Plus in here and the nose steering gyro on the nose wheel.
Braking. Brakes are off.
All right,
Brakes are up.
we're just going to turn around, stay down there, save on battery. Take off flaps, and here we go. All right, we're going to take it down here. We're going to take it up. Flip it. Take it up again.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
That is just so much fun. Inverted flight, no problem.
Landing retracts deployed.
Come by dirty. Gonna fly around dirty, because she's a dirty bird.
Braking. Brakes are off. Flaps are up.
Got enough for one more. One more.
Takeoff flaps.
Here we go. Love that nose gyro.
Stop.
It works really well.
1 minute. Retract landing flaps.
All right, we're gonna go out here.
Braking. Brakes are off. Flaps are up.
Great flying jet. Absolutely fabulous flying jet. All right, we're gonna have time to do the fulcrum one more time too. I won't use them batteries. All right, folks, you can come up here, please, if you would.
Prop is secured. Safe to approach.
All right, that was a 3 minute and 50 or 36 minute or second flight. Prop is secured. Let me show you my setup inside real quick. That's where I've got the 5000 Turnigy graphene battery, KM model afterburner plugged in there. Got the 8-channel Spectrum, I forget what it is, but it's an 8-channel Spectrum with AS3X Plus and safe, but I don't use the safe. Control board, you have to have it. These batteries come with XT90s, so I got an adapter there, but good flying plane, and that's how I got her set up. Let's check the battery. Got to unplug that beautiful afterburner though. Gosh darn it. Okay. 31%. Good storage rate. Alright, well there you go, folks. That is the FMS 90mm 18-year anniversary Avanti S with Porn Stash Bob there at the helm. And there you go. Thank you for watching. God bless y'all. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends. God is good. And that's the Avanti 90. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye.